So I could go that way. Oh, I think I'm gonna go this way. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, friends. So this is Zach. Back on the trail walks. So, I noticed that, I need to get back into my trail walks. Well, I need to get back to recording my trail walks. I used to record them a lot, and then I took a break. I'm not going to disturb your home there. What's up, y'all? Oh, yeah, out here, huh? Came at the right time. So, I want to get back into that. I used to do videos, recording it. I have videos that I just haven't uploaded. I don't know what I was waiting on. So maybe I need to upload them before I upload this one. But guess we will get back into this, especially since winter is starting to taper off. We're at the tail end of winter, and usually at the tail end of winter, sometimes, not always, but sometimes, it's interesting. I bet it's something hiding in there. Found a home. But sometimes at the end of winter, we'll get another blast of winter. A blizzard or something to just be like, let me end you all, end the season off and strong. So I know I'm rambling, but this is what I do. And I also like to talk loud because we also got, look at that. We also got some stealthy animal friends that may be looking for their interests may involve a little something larger than they should try to be biting off. Is that up here? It's like a mushroom, or what is that? Didn't mean to disturb you at all. But I do have to keep my voice loud, just in case any stealthy animal friends come around the river bend or around the way, try to sneak up, and just let them know that my presence is here, not here to disturb their environment, get in the way or anything like that. I'm just passing through momentarily. Won't be long.